All right, guys. So you are about to print a job in your Creality K2 Plus, and this error pops up. Filament detector triggered abnormality. So we're gonna fix it. It looks like the extruder is jammed or something stuck inside of it. Let's go ahead and fix it. So the first thing you wanna do is remove the shell cover that's on the extruder. And the way you do it is you pull it out and a little bit up at the same time. Here you go. Once the cover is out, you'll see we're gonna remove 3 screws. There are 2 on the front, this one and this one. And then there is 1 screw hiding on the side. We're gonna find that later, but let's remove these 2 screws first. All right. Get one. And if you look at your extruder from the side, right side of it, and you zoom in, you're gonna see a hole. And then the 3rd screw is hiding right here. So let's take that one out as well. And they're all different sizes, so make sure you keep them separate and you know which one goes where. When that's done, you can now pull this piece out like so. I think the screw is still stuck. And you can pull it out. So, like that. Going to store it. Once this piece is out, what you also want to pay attention to is on the back side of it, just make sure there is no filament stuck in here. Because sometimes filaments come in through this pipe and it gets stuck inside of this. So make sure there's nothing stuck here. Ours is pretty clean. But if there is something stuck in here, you need to first remove this gear, push it out. It's gonna push out and there's a spring behind it that's gonna probably fly away. But make sure if you pull it out, you put it back in the same way, okay? Even if you don't see any filament or any issues here, you want to turn your printer on and see if there is a blue light here. If there's a blue light that comes on, it means that something is stuck in here. So make sure you don't skip that step. So that's the blue light I was talking about. So if this light comes on, it means that there is filament in here. So there is definitely something stuck in here as well. So I'm gonna stick this needle down here. So I'm gonna make sure it's all clear. That's how you clean it. I just put back this gear in there, and trust me, getting that spring back was an exercise, but we can move on now. So this is good. Let's look into the actual nozzle. So if you look closely on top of the nozzle, and this is where the filament goes inside the nozzle, you can physically see a piece of black filament that's stuck, that's literally hanging out in there. So that's what we're dealing with here, and that's what we're gonna remove. There are a few different ways to do it. The first way is that I'm gonna try and pick it up with the tweezers or something like that that you can grab on it. And if you can't do that, then there's another trick. The needle, the cleaning needle that comes with your printer, you can basically heat it up using a heat gun or even a candle or something. Heat the tip of it and then insert it inside of that. Let's see if we're gonna need this or not. So here's my tweezers. Come on. Ooh, and looks like it broke. So there may be something still inside of it. So I'm gonna do the heat gun thing. So I'm using a normal, like a torch lighter here to heat it up. But you can literally use a normal lighter, or you can even use a candle. So what you wanna do is heat up the tip of it. And then you're gonna stick it in and leave it for like 1 minute. Stick it in. Leave it there. So when I pushed it in, I could actually feel the needle actually getting into the filament piece. And now I'm just leaving it there, letting it cool down, and then that's gonna pull the rest of the stuck filament from in the tube. All right, it's been like 1.5 minutes now. Let's pull this out and see what we got in here. Ooh, it's jammed. It's really, okay. Took out the tip, so this is like stuck in there. So what I'm gonna do next is turn on the printer, heat the nozzle up a little bit, and then pull it out. All right, so we are heating up the nozzle. I just want to make sure I just heat it enough so that the bond between the filament and the nozzle breaks. I don't want to, oh, there you go. So that was all the gunk that was stuck in there. Now it's out, and let's see if this printer works now. It's time to put everything back on. So let's put this back here. Make sure the gears engage like so. All right. Just make sure it goes all the way back. There you go. And then this one goes in here. And we know that this small one goes on the side. Put the shell cover on. And this should fix it. Let's see if it fixed the issue or not. All right. And one tip, before you try to print a model with this now, just make sure you recalibrate the printer first. Okay? All right, let's see if the issue is fixed. Let's go to filament, white, extrude. Oh, it's doing something. Ooh, now that's a progress. Let's see if it comes out of here. Here you go. Here you go. And folks, that's how you fix it. Give me a thumbs up if you like the video and share with others. Thank you.